Jiaxing Chocolate Town is located at No. 9 Chocolate Avenue, Dayuntown, Jiaxing County, Jiaxing City, Zhejiang Province. It is a characteristic tourist destination that integrates chocolate production, research and development, exhibition, experience, leisure vacation. The unique attractions are rich and colorful, each full of chocolate fascination, exotic charm. The overall layout of the town is one center, 4 districts, and 10 major products. European-style buildings are full of romantic and fresh exotic atmosphere, making people feel like they're in small town in Europe. The place is full of strong European charm, and tourists can visit places such as the Cravings City Hall, and so on. Photographing is also very popular. At the chocolate factory, tourists can visit the world's advanced chocolate making line through a 156-meter long, fully transparent sightseeing glass, and witness firsthand how cocoa beans go through processes such as grinding, refining, mixing, shaping, and packaging, ultimately turn into delicious pieces of chocolate. A chocolate fountain is not only a visual enjoyment, but also a festival test. It allows tourists to fully experience the unique charm of chocolate culture during their travels, leaving unforgettable memories for their travels. It also provides a free opportunity to taste chocolate. The Cocoa Culture Exhibition and Experience Hall allows visitors to gain a deeper understanding of the history, cultivation, and the process of cocoa beans, as well as the origin and the development of chocolate culture. The museum vividly showcases the wonderful stories of cocoa beans and chocolate through photographs, videos, and other forms. The town also has a European town-style street where tourists can purchase various chocolate-related products. It is also a great place for tourism and sightseeing, with outdoor amusement equipment and entertainment facilities, such as small trains, allowing tourists to enjoy a relaxed and enjoyable time while sightseeing. There is a romantic waiting area and a chocolate-themed hotel in the town, providing tourists with a comfortable accommodation environment and a romantic waiting venue. In short, the Jiaxing Chocolate Town is worth to visit.